जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Once again, welcome back to your own channel, AR Training the Vision. So today we are going to learn how to design a foundation of wall in AutoCAD. As there are many other tutorials over the internet, but I think there should be a separate video on it, which clearly explains where we should place PCC, RCC, brickwork, and most importantly, dam-proof floors, that is DPC. So this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. I made a tutorial for you guys as simple and easy. So what you have to do is to simply watch the video and try to follow my steps. Time is money. Let's get started.
So let's start. First of all, draw a line of 2.5 feet. Okay. So as there are multiple foundation, we have that is shallow foundation, deep foundation, pile foundation, and many more. Okay. So now we are discussing only shallow foundation. So draw a line of 2.5 feet. I'll enter and draw a line that is 2.5 feet. Okay. Now give an offset of 4 inches like this, offset again 1 feet. Okay, then we have the offset of 6 inches 3 times. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now again give an offset of 2 inches and again offset 3 inches. Okay, so these are the offsets which will be used in designing of foundation. Okay, so draw a line, join all the corners of the line like this. Okay, now give an offset of 3 inches from left and right. Okay, enter 3 inches, 3 inches from left and 3 inches from right. Okay, now trim command tr double enter, trim this part, trim this one, also trim this one, this one, sorry, this one, tr double enter and delete these rubbish lines. Okay, also delete these ones. Now again give an offset of 3 inches from left and right. Enter 3 inches, 3 inches from left and 3 inches from right. tr double enter, again trim the extra portion, delete this one, tr double enter, delete this one. Okay, now again offset 3 inches from left and right, tr double enter, delete this portion. Okay, are you getting my point? It's simple, yeah. Okay, like this one. Now give an offset of 1.5 inch. Enter 1.5 from left and 1.5 from right. tr double enter and delete this part or trim this part. So these are the offsets. Now we will just place the text here. Okay, so the first layer will be your PCC. Simply type PCC. I will just copy it, PCC, and place it here. Next we have the RCC. Okay, simply type RCC, T enter and type RCC. I'm just copying. Next we have the brickwork. Okay, this one is the brickwork. You can change the color of the foundation also. Select all the lines and give it to white color. Okay, again we have all the bricks, and this one is the DPC. Copy this one, and this one is the DPC. Okay, now let's just add a symbol for a wall. So line, draw a line here, press F8 for straight line, select, copy, CO, enter, and here GR double enter, delete the mid portion. Okay, now again draw a line, L, enter, F8 for angle, and have some angle like this. Okay, this is just for showing the wall. Okay, so next we have to do the hatching and gradient. So for hatching, simply type H, enter, and go to the pattern, select the sand which will be used as a PCC. Okay, add pick point, click on this one and enter. Okay, so here's the PCC. You can change the color also. Log. Next we have the RCC. Simply again H, enter, go to pattern and select concrete, add pick point, click on this one and enter. Okay, change the color. Next we have the brickwork. Okay, simply H, enter, again go to pattern and select any type of brickwork like this one. Okay, add pick point, this one, enter. Okay, select and change the color. So this is the brickwork, and then we have to mention the ground and plinth level. So simply draw a line here from this corner, press F8 for straight line. Okay, and mention it, copy ground and place it here. So this is the ground level, and next we have the plinth level. Draw a line. Okay, select plinth level, or simply type plinth level and place it here. Okay, so this is simple, it's not quite difficult. Just we have the offset. At first we have the offset of 4 inches, 2.5 feet line, then we have 4 inches, 1 feet, again 6 inches 3 times, then 2 inches, and then we have 3 inches. Okay, so from the left and right we have given an offset of 3 inches, 3 inches from left and 3 inches from right. So this is how you will design the shallow foundation for the house or building. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More interesting content and informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So take care, bye bye.